Alright guys, we got knife operations going on out here at my shop. We're getting ready to go in. We're going to go to the forge and do a differential heat treat. And so let's go ahead and go in there and do that. Alright, so got my forge going here. We're going to kick on the little hair dryer. We're going to feed it some air. Go ahead and put our blade in there. And get this thing differential heat treated. Okay, so we're going to get the blade up to critical, right where it turns red, and we're going to go ahead and do a differential heat treat. This is going to take about 5 to 8 minutes in there. Alright guys, getting ready to pull the blade out. Going to do a differential heat treat on it. It needs to go just a little bit longer, Leave it a little bit longer. It's almost there. They've let the blade cool down quite a bit. We're going to go ahead and put it back in the coals because they're about 400 to 500 degrees, and we'll let it temper in there and just slow down to a nice cool temp. So I'll put the blade back into the coals here. They're around 500 or 600 degrees. We'll let that slow cool down. That's going to temper the blade, and I'll put it out and let it air cool as well for a couple hours, and we'll go back to polishing it up. Alright, let's go ahead and blades cool down. Let's go ahead and check that knife for hardness. Oh yeah, nice and hard. You can tell along that cutting edge because I've already formed a cutting edge. A lot of guys will check for hardness without forming in their actual secondary cutting edge, and you want to get it down to where it's small, so I can just tell by the way it sounds and tell by the way it feels. Blade is hard and it's been tempered. I think I'll just leave that first hollow handle survival knife that I did right up there. We'll just let it be the outside shop display blade. Alright guys, appreciate you stopping by. As you've seen, I was working on a knife today, did a differential heat treat, and I'm currently working on the guard on this the second handmade hollow handle survival knife that I'm building. This one's coming out really nice. First one was nice, got the handle attachment a little bit off, still not a bad looking knife. It came out really nice, but want to learn from my first little problems that I had with that. So the build, got it down, I can make the knife and everything. These hollow handles, you just got to make sure the handle is attached straight, and on that first one I got preoccupied with just checking out the vertical. I could have simply just checked the side view and I would have made an adjustment, would have been fine, but you know what, you live and learn, you get better. I will catch you guys on the next one, and I'll see you then.